The history of India is a rich and diverse tapestry of cultures, religions, and civilizations spanning thousands of years. The subcontinent has been home to some of the world's oldest civilizations, and it has played an influential role in shaping the course of human history. The earliest known civilization in India was the Indus Valley Civilization, which emerged around 2500 BCE in the northwestern regions of the Indian subcontinent. The people of this civilization built well-planned cities, practiced agriculture, and had a system of writing. The Indus Valley Civilization declined around 1900 BCE, and its legacy can be seen in the ancient Indian texts known as the Vedas. Around 1500 BCE, a group of people known as the Aryans migrated into the Indian subcontinent from Central Asia. They brought with them the Sanskrit language and the Vedic religion, which became the basis of Hinduism. Over the centuries, Hinduism evolved into a complex and diverse set of beliefs and practices that permeated all aspects of Indian life. In the 6th century BCE, two important figures emerged in India: the Buddha and Mahavira. They founded Buddhism and Jainism, respectively, which were two major religions that emerged as alternatives to Hinduism. These religions emphasized the importance of morality, compassion, and self-discipline. The Maurya Empire, founded by Chandragupta Maurya in 322 BCE, was the first great empire of India. It stretched across much of the Indian subcontinent and was known for its sophisticated administration and military power. The most famous ruler of the Maurya Empire was Ashoka, who ruled from 268 to 232 BCE. He was known for his conversion to Buddhism and his efforts to spread the religion throughout his empire. In the centuries that followed, India was ruled by a series of dynasties and empires, including the Gupta Empire, which was known for its contributions to art, literature, and science. The arrival of Islam in India in the 7th century CE brought about significant changes to Indian society, as Muslim rulers established a series of sultanates and eventually the Mughal Empire. The Mughal Empire, founded by Babur in 1526, was a powerful empire that ruled much of India until the mid-19th century. It was known for its military might, its architectural achievements, and its patronage of the arts. The most famous ruler of the Mughal Empire was Akbar, who is remembered for his religious tolerance and his efforts to promote cultural exchange between Hindus and Muslims. The British arrived in India in the 17th century and gradually established control over the country through a series of wars and treaties. India became a British colony in the mid-19th century, and it remained under British rule until 1947, when India gained its independence. The Indian independence movement, led by figures such as Mahatma Gandhi and Jawaharlal Nehru, played a crucial role in India's struggle for freedom. Since independence, India has undergone significant changes and has emerged as a global superpower in fields such as technology and commerce. Despite the challenges it faces, India remains a vibrant and diverse country with a rich cultural heritage and a bright future ahead.